Hi guys! I'm back with an exciting new Bible quiz. Here are 20 super easy Bible questions. Let's see if you can answer all the questions correctly. So, let's get started. First question. What kind of food did Jesus use to feed 5,000 people? Was it lentil stew and roasted lamb? Or was it 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish? Or maybe manna and quail? Or unleavened bread and bitter herbs? The answer is 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish. What did God create on the first day? Did God create animals? Or maybe light? Or was it a man? Or was it a plant? God create light on the first day. What is the name of the garden where the first humans lived? Was it the Garden of Gethsemane? Or was it Garden of Olives? Or maybe Garden of Babylon? Or Garden of Eden? The name of the garden was the Garden of Eden. Who were the first 2 sons mentioned in the Bible? Was it Cain and Abel? Or Jacob and Esau? Or was it Moses and Aaron? Or Peter and Paul? The first 2 sons mentioned in the Bible were Cain and Abel. What gifts did the Magi bring for baby Jesus? Was it gold, frankincense, and myrrh? Or was it gold, silver, and jewels? Or maybe nard, diamonds, and chrysoprase? Or wheat, horses, and spices? The Magi bring gold, frankincense, and myrrh as a gifts for baby Jesus. Who did God ask to sacrifice his son Isaac? Was it Abraham? Or Jacob? Or was it David? Or Saul? God asked Abraham to sacrifice his son. Which sea did Moses part? Was it Dead Sea? Or was it Mediterranean Sea? Or maybe Red Sea? Or Sea of Galilee? The answer is Moses part the Red Sea. How many days and nights did it rain during the flood in Noah's time? Was it for 40 days and 40 nights? Or maybe 20 days and 20 nights? Or was it for 10 days and 10 nights? Or 30 days and 30 nights? During Noah's time, it rained for 40 days and 40 nights.
Hey there, next question. Do you know what Quiz Alkitab means in English? You got it. Quiz Alkitab means Bible quiz in English. We are a non-profit foundation in Indonesia. We are on a mission to provide modern Bible learning tools to all Bible readers and churches in Indonesia. You can support our mission by subscribing to this channel and also sending your donations to the YouTube Super Thanks button below. Don't forget to check our other platforms as well. Let's continue.
Who fought Goliath? Was it Samson? Or was it Saul? Or maybe David? Or Solomon? The one who fought Goliath was David. How many disciples did Jesus have? Did Jesus have 12 disciples? Or maybe 10 disciples? Or 15 disciples? Or 7 disciples? Jesus have 12 disciples. Keep up the good work, guys! Don't give up! Into a den containing what type of animal was Daniel thrown? Was it crocodiles' den? Or was it wolves' den? Or maybe lions' den? Or the den of cobras? Daniel was thrown to the lion's den. What is the name of the last book in the Bible? Is it Genesis? Or maybe Malachi? Or Matthew? Or Revelation? The name of the last book in the Bible is Revelation. Who was turned into a pillar of salt? Was it Sarah? Or was it Miriam? Or maybe Lot's wife? Or Rebecca? The one who turned into a pillar of salt was Lot's wife. What food did John the Baptist eat? Did John eat ants? Or maybe flies? Or locusts and wild honey? Or beetles? John the Baptist ate locusts and wild honey as food. Who interpreted the dreams of the Pharaoh in Egypt? Was it Joseph? Or was it Moses? Or maybe Daniel? Or Samuel? The one interpreted the dream of the Pharaoh was Joseph. How many books are in the Bible? Are there 66 books? Or maybe 72 books? Or 50 books? Or maybe 60 books? There are 66 books in the Bible. Which disciple denied Jesus 3 times? Was it Matthew? Or was it Judas Iscariot? Or maybe Philip? Or Peter? The disciple that denied Jesus was Peter. Which bird did Noah send out from the ark to find land? Was it a dove? Or eagle? Or sparrow? Or maybe parrot? Noah sent out a dove to find land. What did Jesus turn into wine? Was it water? Or was it milk? Or maybe oil? Or vinegar? Jesus turned water into wine. Last question. I bet you can answer this. On which mountain did Moses receive the 10 Commandments? Was it in Mount Ararat? Or Mount Sinai? Or Mount Zion? Or maybe in Mount Carmel? Write your answer in the comments section below and tell us if you got a perfect score on this quiz. If you like the quiz, like and share this video with everyone you know. See you in the next quiz. God bless you.